Hello guys. Mao ni karon guys kanang gahapon nagkuan mi sa kanang kuan sa nagpanday mi sa sin ya haligi. Amo ning gibutangan og kanang balkoni gamay kay parte jud in town kapitos dito sa sod. Mao ni karon nagkuan siya nagmasa para sa kanang kuan sa flooring og sa butang sa bungbong gamay ra jud kayo para sa kanang kuan mabutangan og kanang kuan dere shurak bike ni Isha na mao ni karon magpadayon mi sa kanang kuan niya sa flooring unta mahuman ni rong adlaw. Hello guys, mao ni siya guys, basta mauli na sa balay daghan kani siya buhaton unsay mga repironon unsay kinahanglang buhaton sa balay iyan ning buhaton. Mao ni si Jenish may kay pagka atiman sa iyang ginikanan na kuan jud ni siya ning tubo jud ni siya og kanang responsable jud kayo nga pagkatao kay para sa diyang anak ug modako mo kuan sa siya ma-responsable sad. Blessed kayo ko nga siya mo inaamahan sa akong anak. Say hi.
Hi guys.
See?
Just we are going to expanding our subject division. So you know guys, now it is very hot and also too much rain here. So I heard that just we are going to expanding here. At least we can put our clothes and my daughter see her big bike. So we need to park here.
Yes.
That's the reason why we are going to do that. So I have many work. So let me continue.
Say hi na among medics na diya sa Daplin na wa pa taon ni hilamos. Nasad mi ko andere silingan na mo. Mao ni siya tig chair ni siya og kun gikapoy nang among panday. Sayo sa buntag. Kinahanglan mo mataog sayo para dili kayo init. Kay kun init kayo, lisod-sad kayo. Lisod kay humanon. Oh, what can you say?
Hi everyone, good morning. This is a wonderful good morning for everyone. This is Jenny. So welcome back to our channel guys. Guys, today actually we have finished our carpenter work here. Just my wife, she already explained that we need to exchange the house like for front yard area. We need to cover some we need to keep our baby things here. That's the reason why we are building this one. So I'm only alone doing this one. My wife, she will help me also. So by the way guys, yesterday we have finished the carpenter work. So today the mason work we will start there. So I am the one going to make the wall. So I am the one going to do this. So my wife, she is as long as with me. So that is the energy for me to make up build this place. So let's go and watch the video. Okay guys.
Continue. Hello guys, hapit-hapit na judan mahuman basin dahil mahuman ni ron yung adlaw. Lapot siya style niya ha. Sri Lankan style niya siya. Bro, you talk bro.
Hi guys, almost now the first layer will be complete now. So we will after a few minutes we will start the second layer. Yeah guys, please keep on watch our video guys. Please support us. Just speak of your language.
Oh, nasa among silingan nagpanday po siya gihan kaugalingong manok. This is the reason why we made this. This little kulot, this is our princess. Hi, Isha, say hi. Say hi. This, look. Hi. Hello. Say hello, Isha. Isha. Hindi. Say hello. Say hello.
Mahal. Hi, Mahal. Hi. You don't want to talk anything? You want to say something?
She's very shy. But if she's not in camera, she's very talkative.
Why silent? Don't be silent.
Kapoy na kay ni siya. Ganina pa na siya nagsugod mga alas 6. Iyahad yung kuan, iyang punta karon niya ginanglan. Mahuman dyan niro niyang adlawa.
Yeah.
Nangyangan na ko, lipay ka pareha kanyag naong. Kulot sad. Siya! Inday! Happy, happy? Happy? Why you hiding? Why? Hi! Hi! Say hi, Isha! Inday! You're dancing? Huh? Hello. Say hello. Isa.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Please like and subscribe our channel. You're jumping? Are you jumping? Guys, finally now. Nana, last na lang ni siya nga kuan. Nga layer, nahuman na dyan din taon. Butangan na lang ni siya og kanang kuan. Simento. Dire din human, yan na ni siyang kuan nun. Paghayon usa, dayon, butangan na ni siya og flooring. Yeah, after 2 days, iya din ni siya i-finishing para limpyo tanahon. One siya made from Sri Lanka. Say hi.
Hi guys.
See?
I'm literally a little bit busy.
Very workaholic.
Because now raining, so I need to finish before that because we have also need to go outside. So that's why I made it fast. So my wife she will continue with you guys.
Okay. Ah?
No,
Gamay na lang kita ikuang. Limpyo na siya, tanahon. May na lang, na dyan may mabutangan ka may extra nga kuan. Kaya pati kitaan kapitos ani among sod. Pwede rasad maduwaan ni Jenny sa dere. I-manage lang ni namo, unsaon ni namo. Bilib lang dyan kay kuan niya kay grabe kay kakugihan. Bisag unsang klase nga trabaho, buhaton, basta kaya lang niya para sa pamilya.
This is not my word.
Yeah.
I don't know this one, but I really
Mm,
would like to learn. I have never did this work. But,
Iyara dyan ang gistadihan, unsaon niya paghimo.
but I saw the mason he build a house. That time I saw this how they are doing. So this is easy.
Easy for him as a first timer. He's alone.
But if you are interested, guys, with the work, so you can do whatever.
Yes.
It's not a heavy work. But literally, I feel pain
Back
here.
pain.
Yeah, that's only.
That's normal. Only for today it will go if you will rest. Nang among silingan, no? Maura dyan na siya sigig pero may panghagwa niya. Oh, karon arang-arang na dyan ah. Yung mong garden, nakuha-kuhaan taon gamay. Hi, Isha! Hi!
Hi, baby.
Look up, oh, very workaholic, oh. He don't like to sit in the house. He want to be always sweaty. So that's why he tried to look what else needs to repair, needs to put. If he can do it, he will do everything for his family. Morning guys. Mao na ni katulo na mong adlaw karon sa paghinay-hinay trabaho ani. Di jud siya ma full day kay kapoy jud kay siya rin usa. Nya kanang ang himuon karon kay magkuan may mag finishing diri sa bungbong ug makaya pa ang flooring sa tan-aw lang namo. Brother, what can you say?
Hi guys, good morning to another good day for you guys. Today our third day we are making this. Hopefully our target is today we have to finish today this work, and today we will make the floor and the wall also. We will make the siding. Hopefully we will finish that work today. We hope that. Okay guys, let's enjoy how we are doing the work today. Little bit this is very how you say, it's very
Tiring,
painful also.
very
It's
tiring,
always
back
going down.
pain.
So that's a problem.
It's not easy.
Yeah, it's not easy. It really is very hard work. Okay, let's see you continue with them.
So we appreciate so much with the construction workers how they finish the work. It's not easy, especially if it's under the sunlight. You need to suffer too much for the family. Isha! 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 Inday! Isha! Say hi. Inday!
A few moments later.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I'm not.
Guys, finally guys, our project is done now. So it took 3 days. Due to the rain we cannot continue the work. Then after the rain, just raining time, we stopped the work and we continue the work again. That's the reason why it took 3 days. So you can see here we parked our BMW bike for our Isha. This is for her.
Now she started to throw now the gallon.
Yes.
I will punch her later.
And she is destroying everything here. And finally we have finished the work. So my wife, she will talk now. Then I want to tell you, but our house is very small. As long as we are very happy here now. Yeah, that's a very important thing in our life, no? That's we need to be always happy. So she will talk to you guys, Bisaya.
So,
Just
sa
louder.
wakas, human dyan din taon na mo 5 years project. Nahuman dyan siya mga tulo dyan kaadlaw, pero di dyan siya ingon nga straight dyan, pero og kun imo siyang kwentahon mga tulo ra dyan siya kaadlaw. Okay, usahay mag-uwan, hunong lang usa.
Just louder.
Hunong lang usa niya. Kuan ka nang dili man ka siya ingon nindot, pero
Just look at the camera.
Appreciate yun ako yung effort nyo gibuhat para na mo siya. So at least na namin mabutangan lain karon so guna siya paglabay si
Kami siya.
galon. Ang galon ang alumping ng agi.
Mahal?
So maara na siya.
Yeah, but this we made this one for we don't have also idea to make this one. When we put our cloth to dry here, but always keep on draining. That's the reason by we make this one. Actually, we don't got plan, but also we thought it's a very big. It's a small budget. When we buy the things, it's going very high. The price also very high in here in
Double.
Philippines. Yeah, it's a double. Yeah, really is
Double the
yeah.
estimated value.
But we didn't have the manpower outside. Just we two did this one.
Isa!
So as long as our daughter, she have a space also to play here, and
So
also
now
we
she's
can park
dusting.
her the BMW bike here. Yeah. So guys, we are so happy to share a video with you guys. Be a responsible
This is
person.
motivational video.
Yeah, definitely.
You can do everything as
Yeah.
long as you really wanted to do.
Yes, but we also don't know about this work. But just this is the first time I made this one. Then also you can see here I made this on the rope also, and my wife, she's the one helped me to do that.
Yeah, and
also-
first time I saw there's no steel. It's using only the hollow blocks without steel. For us, we're using that one so that it's very strong. Hopefully, it will last for how many years?
And also now you can see behind us. So we here just we put our cloth, the towel, the bed clothes here is dry, and also my baby, the shoe rack is here, and also the one how you call the drum is here.
The drum.
Just-
So,
yeah,
if
here
we will drink the coffee, we can
Yeah.
use this as a table.
Yeah.
Because if we will keep table here, no more space, then we will expand another one.
So this is our angel. Angel,
Siya!
this is our angel.
Hi,
Angel, look
say
at this.
hi,
Say hi
say
to.
hi.
Say Angel.
Hindi.
Say hi. Hi, Appa. This is our angel now. She is very happy. Okay, guys. Just be always. You want to be a very responsible person. To with your family, you need to protect your family. Yeah. If you have a child, you should.
will do everything.
Yeah, everything you have to
Whatever
do.
it takes.
Definitely. Okay, guys. We hope you will enjoy this video, guys. We will meet the next video. Until the end, jenishliz family. You want to say something, Messiah?
Just like and share. That's all.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, Angel. This is our Angel, Janisha. Playing this,
Playing
them,
this.
playing this. Yes. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Inday.
Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.